Python. Okay, so we are talking about one of the most popular and user-friendly language out there. So whatever you are, either you are a complete beginner or you are just curious about Python, just follow me, stick around, and let's look at what Python programming is all about. So what is Python really? Now, Python is a high-level programming language. Okay, it is like speaking English to your computer. So Python make it easy for you to read and understand. As long as you can understand English, you can understand Python, because it's like speaking English to your computer rather than trying to decipher a bunch of cryptic symbols. Okay, unlike some weird language like Java and all. Okay, so Python is very simple to understand. It is like English. Okay, but don't let it its simplicity. For me, just saying it's simple, don't let it fool you. Okay, Python is incredibly powerful and versatile. Okay, so one of the things that make Python incredible is the readability. So Python's syntax is clear and straightforward. You don't need to rabble your head around and be asking, what does this mean? Okay, so Python is clean and plain and straightforward. So it makes it easy for you to understand and maintain. Okay, so another thing is that Python is versatile, and by versatile I'm saying that it can be used for a wide range of tasks. Okay, it can be used for a wide range of tasks, from web development to data science to automation to cyber security. Python is versatile. Now, another thing is that Python comes with an extensive library. Okay, so a bunch of library are there that makes Python very awesome. Okay, so you don't need to build from scratch. Okay, there are libraries that are already built, that are there, a bunch of it, that allow you to use a Python very comfortably. Okay, Python has a massive collection of pre-written code libraries. Okay, and then this help you to save time and effort in many projects you'll be building. Then there is a large community. Okay, Python has a vibrant and active community that provides support and resource for developers all over the world. Okay, at all levels, either you are a beginner, you are intermediate, you are an expert, there is a large community of Python developers that are ready to assist and also get your code error resolved. Okay, now there's also cross-platform. Okay, Python is cross-platform. Now by cross-platform, what I'm saying is that Python can run on Windows, it can run on Mac OS, it can run on Linux, and even Raspberry Pis. Okay, so Python is cross-platform. Okay, yes, when we talk about cross-platform, there are programming languages that are majorly, if you don't have a particular operating system, you can't run them. Okay, but Python makes it easy for you to run on Windows, on Macs, on Linux, and any operating system you will have. Where or what area or field can Python be used? Okay, now when I started this video, I made mention of web development. So Python has a framework that is called Django, which you can use for web development. It has a Flask framework. Okay, so you can use it to build web development. Okay, then in data science and analytics, Python has NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and the rest of them. Okay, that allow you to analyze data. Okay, so and then in the aspect of machine learning and AI, automation and scripting, okay, scientific computing, education and teaching, and so many more. Okay, so there are different ways that Python has touched in different area and in different industry and in different field, if you understand what I'm saying. So Python goes beyond different field. Okay, from web development to data science to data analysis to machine learning and AI. So if you are new to programming and you are looking for a programming language to learn, I highly recommend Python, as you can use it in cybersecurity, in AI and machine learning, any field at all that you find yourself or industry that you are in, to be very useful. Okay, so Python is easy, is versatile, is readable, and there are a lot of things that are already existing for you to use, so you don't need to struggle your head and repeat or build from scratch. Okay, so you can check some of my video and then you can learn Python. So there you have it. Python is a powerful, versatile and beginner friendly language that can open up a world of possibility. Okay, if you are ready to take your first step into coding and expanding your if you are ready to take your first step into